Hello, my people. Today I'll be doing a market forecast on GBPUSD. With this market forecast, we will try to be predicting the behavior of price on the monthly, the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour time frame, guys. And based on this market forecast, we'll be able to try to identify buying or selling opportunities, guys. So let's get into the charts. Basically, I start my market forecast on the monthly time frame, and on the monthly time frame, like every time frame, I start first off by identifying the direction of the market. Basically, if you guys can see here, price has been bearish, meaning price has been moving downwards most of the time. It's true, we might have these areas of retracement, retracement, and retracement. But at the end of the day, price has always been going downwards. So this high was created. From this high, we created this low, and upon creating this low, the supply zone was left here. Price came back up, got a mitigation from this supply zone, went down straight to break structure to the downside. We see a break of structure here. So that's what basically happened. We see a break of structure here for the price to go downward, and price started rallying again upward to take come into again this other supply zone, which here got mitigated again, and we saw a sell-off to the downside. So basically, as we've seen price coming again up, we're expecting that as it has been mitigated here already, we should be expecting price to come down at least to this level, or have a very strong 1 week demand zone here. So we're expecting price to come at least into this zone. So basically, on the monthly time frame, we're expecting price to come down into this zone before give. So based on the fact that we are expecting price to come down into this zone, since we're on the monthly time frame, it might take a lot of time. It might take a lot of months or years, or maybe 1 year in 2 years, or in 5 months, depending on market conditions. So basically, on the monthly time frame, we are bearish. That is, we are expecting price to continue to sell downwards. So based on our knowledge, we get down into the, remember also within this zone, we can see a 1 week, a weekly demand zone. And based on my system, price basically tends to react on areas of supply, on areas of demand. So I'm expecting a reaction within this area. Remember, guys, last week in the market forecast last week, I was forecasting price to come into this zone and give us a reaction here. So basically, that happened this week. Price got into this zone, and the weekly candle is closing in within this zone, telling us next week we might be able to spot buying opportunities, guys. So now, based on our knowledge, I'm scaling into the weekly time frame. So getting down into the weekly time frame, what can we clearly see? We can clearly see that, okay, remember from the structure we had, the previous structure on the monthly time frame, this is where price is reacting. So last week price ended just at this level, directly below this demand zone. And this week the price has closed within this demand zone. What are we expecting from here? Like I was saying last week, I'm expecting that last week I was saying, and this is what is happening. I was saying I'm expecting price to come down into this 1 week demand zone, and based on the reaction which we will see here, it might give us the opportunity to be able to start looking for buy trade this coming week. So we're expecting price to give us a reaction here, which we might take a buy from here to come back up here, get a mitigation here before we continue to sell off. So basically, I'm expecting price to give us the opportunity to enter a buy trade here and to move right up to target this other supply zone. This is a supply zone formed on the daily time frame, and if price gives us a possible reaction here, we'll be expecting to take a buy from this area and to target up here. And in targeting up here, we take profit from here and expect price to provide a reaction from here, which will come down. But remember, guys, That is one possibility. There's another possibility within this trade. If you guys clearly see, it was the lowest point. If we look from here, if we look at the market structure from the weekly perspective, we still have this 1 week supply zone up here, which has not been mitigated. The mitigation was within the 1 month supply zone, but we still have this 1 week supply zone. So everything is possible. And basically, guys, if I scale down into the lower time frame, we'll understand that here there's an area of liquidity. There will be a lot of liquidity sitting above this area. And if looking at structure, market broke structure here to the upside. So what's happening was simple. Market created this low, went down. Market came up, broke structure here to the upside. Telling now the market is buying. Retrace got a retracement to create a lower low, which was this area. So let me try to explain. So structure was broken here to the upside. And created this low, which went to create this high, which went to create this lower low, which broke structure to create this higher high. And it has come down now to create another lower low. So there's another possibility that price might continue to create structure like this to go to the upside. Remember, on the monthly time frame, our bias is to sell the market. Yeah, it's to sell the market, but we should not forget price is irrational. Price, we don't know how price might behave in the future. So basically, I'm looking for two opportunities. There's a lot of liquidity sitting above this 1 day demand zone, and also based on the weak movement of the weekly time frame. Based on the movement on the weekly time frame, I'm expecting that price might come here as it has done, give us a reaction up here and give us opportunity from here to sell. But in case the demand zones fails, and in case price comes here, give us a reaction like this and starts moving up, remember, all this liquidity will be taken out, and there are two possibilities area where price might react. Price might give us another reaction within this other area and within this other area. This for price to come up here or up here, it depends if this demand zone will hold. Understand? So basically, for this coming week, what are we expecting? We're expecting the market to give us a buy opportunity within this area. And if we take a buy opportunities within this area, we might be expecting the market to come up, and it might not come up this week, guys. Remember, we're expecting the daily also. Moreover, let me go back into the monthly time frame. This is a monthly candle. From here to here, you guys can see the monthly candle is really huge. So basically, on my own point of view, if we want to look for a buy trade here, we have to wait, let this monthly candle to close. This monthly candle has to first of all close, and we enter a new month of December with another candle form. We will start looking for momentum in buy. Because basically at the moment the momentum on the monthly time frame is very bearish. So coming back into the weekly time frame, it's very simple, guys. We focus on these zones. Actually, price is closing in on the weekly time frame on this zone. We are supposed to focus only on this zone to look for buying opportunities. Only if we see buying opportunities. If we see buying opportunity, we take buying opportunities, having the notion in mind that we are expecting price to come up to this zone. If price can come up back into this zone, we look for another opportunity to sell directly downwards to this 1 week, directly to this 1 week demand zone. But remember, if if this zone does not hold, that is, if price comes, give us a reaction and break above the zone, we will now start looking for buying opportunities to be able to sweep all liquidity here. And if we get those buy opportunities as from this area, after this area has been violated, we'll target to sweep liquidities and to see price coming into this other this other supply zone or this 1 week supply zone. So basically, That's it. So basically, to summarize this video, I'm focusing this week on this zone. Price is sitting at a weekly demand zone, which is an important zone which have been identified since, which I've spoken about for my previous forecast. So basically, for this market forecast, people should take my word for it. We will be able to look for some reaction here to try to get some buying opportunities to the upside because price has reached our zone. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. It was a short and simple video, and it was a market focus on GBPUSD. Stick to my channel. Try to subscribe to my videos. I hope you watch the videos to right to the end. I hope you are able to learn from it. In order not to miss my future videos, try to subscribe to my channel, and I release videos week in week out. Like the video, comment, share, and also if you want me to do a market analysis, a market forecast on other forex on other currency pairs, you can write on the comment section, then I will see into that. Thanks, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.